In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Venmo to Apple Pay. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You will be able to connect Venmo to Apple Pay if you have a Venmo debit card. Sadly, I don't know of any other method to connect Venmo to Apple Pay as a valid payment method, but if you have a debit card from Venmo, you will be able to easily achieve this connection. So, grab your Venmo debit card and you will be using the full card number, expiration date, and security code to attach it to your Apple Wallet and consequently Apple Pay. So, when you open your Apple Wallet, tap the plus sign at the top right corner of the screen. In here, you will see all of the options that can be added into the Apple Wallet, and one of them should be debit or credit card. So choose this option, and finally, you will be able to input all of the card details. So you can either use your camera to scan the details on the card. So by scanning all of the card details, it is going to automatically fill out the card number, expiration date, and security code. And alternatively, if you choose the option to enter them manually, you will be able to type them all out. So choose whichever option you prefer. Once all of the details have been filled out, you will still have to verify that you are the owner of the card. So double check the name, card number, other details, tap next. And finally, you will have to go through a verification process, either by receiving an SMS or text message, by calling them, or by opening the Venmo app. And once all of that has been verified and you prove that you are the owner of the card, it is going to be listed as a valid payment method on the Apple Wallet. Now you can physically hold your phone near a card reader to issue payments, or choose the option to pay with Apple Pay when you reach checkout, and the Venmo debit card will be available for you to select as one of the payment methods listed. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Venmo to Apple Pay. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.